Alright guys, so I just posed you a question that you would have faced in your in your real life, or you would have heard of someone saying that I faced such a situation. So in this Joy, we are going to tell you a way by which you can quickly get relieved from such tricky situations. So before getting into that, actually, as I had said, we'll be seeing the prerequisites that is needed. So the libraries that I have said, so we'll go with them one by one. So the first thing is, I want to get the current time. So how would I do that? So I would say I need the current time. That's the first thing I'm going to do. Current time is what I'm going to do now. So for getting the current time, we'll be using this package date time, as you had seen in the previous video. The package is from that. The date time package has the features by which we can get the current time. So we'll be importing it. Date time is a bigger package. From date time, from that bigger package, we'll be importing a smaller subset of it. Even that is named as date time. So get used to this. Also see, date time is a lengthier name, so let me abbreviate it as DT, just for a convenience sake. So this is the way I have imported. Date time is a bigger package. It has sub packages. If you just want to work with dates, you have something called date. If you just want to work with time, you have something called time, and you have a lot of things. Or maybe you can think of it. Maybe I'll say, let me say import date time. Let me say I've imported. So if I say date time dot and I press a tab, see, I have plenty of options that is available. Time zone, so many options are available. This is the naive package that we have. So okay, I don't need this date time actually. I want the subset date time. This is the superset and I want the subset. So let me do this again so that this particular thing gets imported. Now I want to display the current time. How would I do that? Simple, dt dot now. That's it. See, this is the current time, 2018 10/4/16 10:33, and this is the milliseconds count. So that is 4th October 2018. The time is 16:10. It's given in 24 hours format. Evening 4:10, 33 seconds. This many number of milliseconds. So it gives in this precision. And let us see what happens if we print it. So if I say print date time dot now, if I print it, let us say, see, it is given in a lightly organized format compared to giving us individual values in a tuple format. As you could see, it returns a sort of tuple format. Now it's giving in an organized format, and you could see this is reversed. We generally write it as 4/10/2018, and if you have used some software like Excel and all, you are supposed to give the month first followed by the date. It should be 10/4. It should be given as 10/4 and not 4/10. If you use such packages, it is giving entirely in the reverse format. Why is this so? So this is the format that is generally followed in databases. When you store date values in databases, it will first store the year, then the month, then the date. So you would have heard that computers generally are comfortable processing from right to left, right? So if you see right to left, it is the human friendly format. So probably this is the reason why databases use this storage representation. So the same representation is adopted here as well. So first comes the year, then the month, then the date. It's just the reverse of what humans are doing generally. And time comes this way, 16 hours, that is evening 4 o'clock, 11 minutes, 11 seconds, and these many number of milliseconds. That's the time. So now this is how we had got the current time. So this is nothing but the system time. Whatever was the time here in my system, this same time is being fetched. That is, when this instruction was executed, this was the exact time of the clock in my system that's being fetched here.